Hi, my name is Dr. Shai David, and I am the co-founder and CEO of retrain.ai. Retrain.ai is a talent intelligence platform powered by AI. We analyze data about people, jobs, and training pathways in order to optimize processes throughout the talent lifecycle, from hire to retire, redefining the future of work using AI. The company was started by myself. I'm a serial entrepreneur with my last big project, a company called Cultura, an edtech company that's actually in the process of going public. And I partnered together with Isabel Bichler Eliasaf and Avi Simon. Isabel herself is a serial entrepreneur coming from HR tech who developed software in that space. And Avi Simon is a technologist who comes from many years in the service of the Israeli Defense Forces and was the first chief data officer of the Israeli Defense Forces and the CTO and CIO of Israel Military Intelligence. So the three of us came from large-scale software to solve what we believe is one of the largest problems that exist in the market today, and that is the skills gap problem. We believe that skill requirements are changing faster than ever. There's a real change in skills demand. You needed to be able to write on a chalk on a blackboard to be a teacher, and now you need to operate Zoom. You needed to be able to lift a box if you wanted to work in the supply chain, and now you need to operate a robot. You need to drive a lorry if you were in transportation, and now you need to operate a drone. So dramatic change in skills demand on one hand. On the second hand, significant shortage in skill supply, and employers know that. You don't learn these types of skills in schools, and employers are spending many billions of dollars and are still having a hard time hiring for the right skills that they need. And at the same time, existing inefficiency in HR systems. The HR tech stack is extremely outdated and just cannot keep up with the rate of changes. The outcome of all this is that the skills gap keeps widening, and this is dramatically limiting business outcome and is costing us tremendously. What if there was a system where in one at the same time, we could manage all of the relevant data to solve the skills gap? Well, now this system exists, and this is what we're building. We're building a solution that is based on data and algorithms by unifying data around occupations and jobs, people, and learning. If we understand what the skill requirements are, if we understand what the talent skill, existing skills are, and if we understand the learning pathway whereby we can grant the right skills to the right people, we'll be well on our way to solve the skills gap. In essence, what we're building is the ways of the labor market, or think about it as the Google Maps of the labor market, helping first map the skills gap challenge, and then showing how the talent can get from points A to points B, C, and D based on different optimization criteria. If I'm a job seeker out of a job, I want to put food on the table, I probably am looking for the fastest route. If, on the other hand, I'm working for, say, a digital bank that's doing digital transformation, maybe I can take a more optimal route because the organization is willing to invest. But in order to get to that layer of prediction optimization, to build that Google Maps of the labor market, we need to go pretty deep. And we're building a 4-layer AI model starting with raw signals in the market, data about people, jobs, and occupations, learning pathway exists. We're collecting that, organizing that into a structured layer of information where we can create the mapping of opportunities, contextualizing, synthesizing that into a layer of knowledge where we can match jobs and skills, and integrating and creating that into an actionable layer of wisdom, which we showed before, of prediction and optimization. Our status as of June 2021, we raised a total of $13 million seed and A, led by Hetz Ventures, Tech Aviv 406, and an A round led by Square Peg Capital. We have early customers, we have traction, we're on target to hit $1 million in ARR in 2021. We have a proven and repeatable product and customer market fit, signed agreement with large global education companies like Coursera. We hired our key employees, our core R&D centers in Tel Aviv, and a team in Palestine. And we are ready to scale. So thank you very much, and we hope to see you at the ASU GSV.